Okay, Language Explorers. So this is where it gets a little interesting. So, no money down, okay. Return on investment, okay. Internal rate of return, okay. So it gets a little tiny bit mathy now, a little bit of maths. So, no money down. When the cost of something is 0 and you are still benefiting from it. Okay, so if this product didn't cost you anything, 0, and it's still making money for you, still making sales, for example, it's still producing an income, then this is no money down. Didn't cost nothing. Cost nothing to say benefit, for example, to earn from this income. Cost nothing, and yet you're still making money from it. Now, return on investment, a little interesting. The amount of money you make from something. How much money? So there's this investment, or to sell this thing, or buy that asset. How do you know which one's got the best amount of income? Which is going to make me the most amount of money? And therefore we have ROI. So it's profits divided by cost equals ROI. Okay, so let's then say we have, say, a house here. A house. Very nice. And it produces, let's say $100 a month. Very good. So 100, nice, per month. Nice, that's 12. Okay, and let's say it cost 2,000 or so to buy. Just let's use those numbers. So we'll take the cost, we'll take the profits multiplied by 12, so 100 multiplied by 12 in brackets divided by 2,000. Let's have a look. Let's do those numbers quickly. A nice little calculator here. So 100 times 12, 1200, yeah, easy, divided by 2,000. Okay, so that's 0.6. Fair enough. 0.6. Okay, but then let's multiply that by 100 to express it as a percentage. So it's 60%. A 60% ROI. That's a good deal. Whereas this thing over there only produces £50. This one produces £50, so it's 50 times 12 all over again, so it'll be 30. Divide by 2,000, so it'll be 30%. So we know, mathematically, which one is a better deal. This one that has a higher ROI of 60, because 60 is greater than 30. So we're going to go for this house at $100 a month, and not this one at 50, unless perhaps this one did not cost 2,000, but instead only cost 1,000. Then actually, it's the same, 60%. The numbers have changed. How cool is that? How cool is that? So, internal rate of return, the expected annual growth of an investment. So, annual, meaning every 12 months. 12 months. And how it's going to grow. So, how does this 100 change 1, 2, 3 years from now? Maybe 110, for example. Maybe down to 90. Maybe 200, perhaps. How is it going to change over the next couple of years? Well, depends on stuff. Yeah. So the way something is no money down is, let's say, for this 2,000, you had to borrow the money. Let's say even 10%, for example. But now over time, you've paid off the loan. You've paid off the loan, the borrow. You've paid the interest. Yet you've still got the asset. And the asset now cost you nothing. The cost is zero because it's all paid off. It's all paid off. You got your money out the deal, so perhaps. So now it's no money down. How cool is that? Yeah. So when the cost of something is zero and you're still benefiting from it. So this house might have no cost, yet I'm still making money from it. How cool is that? Very cool. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.